Fellow Zimbabweans, sons and daughters of the soil, today I stood once more at the graveside of a fellow comrade, a true son of the liberation struggle, a veteran who carried the burden of Chimurenga with honor and never wavered. Sarabina Mashkubla Pangwa Inoi, na retired Lieutenant General Wisos Kakima Branga Nova subscribe or like it on the bell icon. So that's my general Blanjura Chiti. I attended the funeral of my fellow comrade, and as the soil fell on that coffin, my heart grew heavy with both sorrow and righteous anger. We have buried too many of our own, too many heroes who walked through the bush, smoked the cordite, and shed blood so that this nation could be free. Yet now, we see this bitterness, this deliberate elimination of fellow veterans and comrades who dare to speak truth, who refuse to bow to cartels and unconstitutional schemes. Those behind these acts think they are untouchable. They believe the graves of old soldiers will silence the rest of us. Let them hear me clearly. As one who has commanded men in battle and who still carries the dust of Chimonyo and the blood of the struggle on the lands. Those who are behind this madness of eliminating our fellow veterans and comrades will pay a huge price. The day of reckoning is coming. It is not a threat, it is a historical certainty. The spirits of the fallen do not rest when their comrades are hunted down. The people see, the whole veterans see, history is recording every name, every act, every betrayal. We did not wage the armed struggle to replace one oppressor with another. We did not bleed in the trenches so that a few could turn our country into a personal fiefdom, while the true liberators are silenced or eliminated. Our oath was to Zimbabwe, not to any individual, not to any cartel, not to any extension of power beyond the constitution we fought to establish. To the families of the fallen, I share your grief. I have attended too many such funerals. May the Almighty grant you strength, and may your loved ones rest in eternal peace, knowing their sacrifice was not in vain. Toma developments and mudapangwa ina. In our comment section, made of any more to give. I'm so subscribe or like, on the bell icon.